At Volvo Construction Equipment, we are driven by the idea that through imagination, hard work, and technological innovation, we will lead the way towards developing a world that is cleaner, smarter, and more connected. With the global construction industry as our arena, we've been turning this belief into reality since 1832. We are part of Volvo Group. Our network stretches across the globe, representing Volvo in markets worldwide. As a partner, we provide the equipment and services to maximize our customers' business and make it run smoothly. Trust and passion are the foundation of our company culture. Our core values, quality, safety, and environmental care always come first when creating solutions for a better tomorrow. We are pioneers. We explore new possibilities and technologies to drive change for a better tomorrow. We believe in a sustainable future, and with the global construction industry as our arena, we work together with our customers to turn this belief into reality. For people everywhere. This is our purpose. We live and breathe it every day, because this is what it takes to build the world we want to live in.